Salute. This trading is just good business, baby. It's just good business, man. Hopped in here to show y'all. Had an explosive day today. You can't let the ops make videos talking about their wins without you making some videos talking about yours. So here we go, man. As you can see, we in this US30 trade. We went all the way crazy on this sell. The robot took 3 entries, as you can see. All those arrows are the robot. Once again, I ain't even stress out for these trades. I don't get too cocky, but I'm gonna just break them down. Let's go to NAS. Let's secure some profits. You know what I mean? Show y'all what we dealing with around here. As you see, I've been tearing these indices up all week, low key. Small moves, but they add up. You feel me? Yeah. So let's look at this gold. This gold trade is going crazy right now. We got a couple stacked in there. I gotta try and get them out. You know, it's okay. We got some stacks going on. Let's get these secured. That's the big trade right there. Yeah, so pretty much what's going on, the robot, what it does is when it takes the entry, you can set it to take multiple entries, and that is why. Let me try to get closer to it and see if I could get in there. I think I got it now. Nope, got the same one. Okay, now we got one of them. Pulled them out. There's one more in there, but I'm gonna leave it. Yeah. So as you can see, the robot took multiple entries on the gold trade. Gold took a drop today from the highest point of the day, and this is called the high-low indicator. This will be available on the website. Pretty much when you see it hit the high or the low, you already know what we teach about levels. These levels mean that when it hits this level, you could take that sell, or when it hits level, you could take that buy, depending on the reaction. We got a good reaction. As you can see, we got what we would look for. We got rejection. So the rejection occurred. The robot saw this rejection. It saw that and took the sell. And as you can see from these 3 dots right here, we took 4 sells. So we've been in these sells all day, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those little arrows you see, that's the robot. That means the robot did it. I didn't do it. So let's go over to GJ. Once again, I'm still holding these GJ trades right here. So let's go on ahead and secure some of these, because GJ is trying to pull back. We're going to clip that one. We ain't taking no losses, baby. We ain't taking no losses. If that's what they think we doing, not today. Yeah, so as you can see, once again, there was a sell, GJ took it. Another sell, GJ took it. Another sell, GJ took it. It's that simple, really. So let's go down the list of what we got to check. GJ, I don't think there's no GU trade. Yeah, there's no GU trade. There's definitely a USD JPY trade. Yes. Oh, man, look at that one. That one's doing nicely, too. So let's go ahead and secure that. We got some NAS going on. I already did NAS. NAS is looking all the way ill, as y'all can see. S&P got something going on. S&P is going crazy too. Everything is dropping. So let's secure these. Like I said, we ain't taking no losses, baby. We ain't taking no losses. So let's secure all that. Okay, US30. We already know. I already secure US30. Can't play with that. Let's get a little bit more going. Yeah. Oh Lord, 10,000 pips. Come on, guys. Yo, listen. I don't even know why I be posting this no more. I don't be wanting to even post this because people see this and they act like they don't see it. Okay, so we got one negative trade going on. Aussie, Audi, NZD. Okay. We already did gold. Gold is going crazy. GG Shake Chef. Let's see what we got here. We got some bars going crazy. Okay, let's secure that. Like I said, we're not taking no losses. We securing everything. Alright. Let's see what else we got. Let's go down the list. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We tore up gold. Gold is pretty much in the indices. So it's pretty much where all those pips is coming from. I know crypto should be probably heading what, down maybe? Yep, it's heading down. We didn't get no trade today. Okay, so yeah, so I just hopped in here to tell y'all, man. A lot of you guys has hit me up asking me for mentorship. The best thing I could tell y'all is hit me in the Discord. I'm gonna set up a mentorship program on the site, and then y'all could go there. But the robots, I don't know. I don't know why it's taking so long, but it's taking a long time to put these robots up. It's starting to look like I may not be able to put the robots up. I might have to find an alternative for you guys, but we'll see what happens. But right now it's not looking too good, man. But overall, I just wanted to show y'all I had a great trading day, man. As you can see, man, you can't really complain when you got this type of trading going on. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I really ain't even gonna say too much in this video. I'm just gonna show you. Do I gotta show y'all how I got in the trades? I mean, I don't think I do, right? Y'all know the move that the robot did, right? I mean, you could look at this one and see it. You can't see it on this one, but you can see it clearly right here, right? Let me just for entertainment purposes show y'all. Y'all see this, right? Y'all see what happened there, right? On the 1 hour, y'all see that? Okay, let me go across. Y'all see that? Y'all see what's happening? Y'all see this? Y'all see this, right? Y'all see this level here, right? I want to know if y'all see that. I'm just curious because I see it. You get to see these things left and right. Once again, y'all see it, right? I see it, right? Okay. I want to see if y'all see it. I want to see if y'all see it, man. I want to see if y'all see it. You see it? Because I see it. Y'all see this, right? You see this level? See this level? See this level? See where the candle is acting up at? See this wick where it tried to go past this level and it was rejected? That's why I secured the trade, guys, because this is going to get rejected. Clearly, it's going to get rejected unless there's a buyer push. This is going to get rejected. So that's why I secured that trade, because everything is going down and this one pair is going up. So you already know the deal with that type of stuff when you see it. You know what I'm saying? We got a silver trade going on. The silver trade was going crazy all this time. I ain't even realize. Oh man, the market closed. Yeah. Alright, so the market closed. I might have to come back and catch that trade. The market is closing. But it's cool. So I just hopped in this video to let y'all see that I had an awesome trading day, and that you know, we here for you guys, man. If y'all want to learn, go to the website. The 101 mentorship is there, the course is there, the affiliate program is there. There are some current robots there that you guys could get. This robot right here, I'm gonna have to figure out something with this, because this, I don't know if this is gonna work out. There's some developing issues that maybe keep me from putting this robot up on the site. It's looking like I won't be able to do it. But anyway, guys, I'm in this video here. I don't want to make it too long. I just wanted to come in here and show y'all I'm still trading, and I still had a great trading day, and you can too. Just hit up the website. I'm gonna add the mentorship to the website by the time y'all see this video. Peace.